Today's video is all about how to make your sperm thicker and stronger naturally. So make sure that you watch this video from the beginning to the very end to know the fruits you are going to add to get maximum results. But before I proceed on this video, my name is Kenneth. I make videos on men's secrets and natural ways to keep men. So if you are new on this channel, you want to know more about men and natural ways to keep men, consider to subscribe and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to be notified anytime I upload or publish video concerning men and natural ways to keep men. So how are you going to achieve this strong and powerful sperm? How are you going to make your sperm thicker and stronger? All you have to do is to gather some fruits that I am going to mention. If you can get all these fruits, and after getting all of them, you add granules and milk. Within 2 or 3 times of doing this or taking this, you will get results, I assure you. Now, what are the fruits? The fruits are, number 1 is banana. Take at least 1 banana, 1 piece of banana. Don't do this much. You are not going to prepare this salad in the sense that you will preserve it. No. This will be on daily basis so that it will be as fresh as possible. So the number 1 fruit you need is banana. Only 1 piece of banana. Number 2 is pineapple. Just a small quantity of pineapple. Number 3 is carrots. Number 4 is cucumber. Number 5 is avocado pear. Number 6 is coconut. Number 7 is pawpaw. So on and so forth. But the most important thing is that never add anything like citric fruits like orange, grape, and lime. Never add these 3. These 3 are excluded in this salad. So once you get all these fruits, collect each of them one piece or small quantity so that you can prepare a salad that you can consume. Then once you do this salad, you are good to go. Then add granules and milk. You can add like 1 tin of milk. If it is the dried one, you can add like 3 to 4 teaspoonfuls of milk and mix it very well. Take this recipe 2 times or 3 times weekly. Within 1 week, you will get a thick and stronger sperm. So try this and come and give me testimony. I believe this must work for every human being, especially to all men. It can also boost up your immune system. This recipe or this salad will give you the best results you can never imagine. So try this and come here and give me testimony. So this is what I want to share in today's video. If you get value, consider to subscribe and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to be notified anytime I publish video concerning men and natural ways to keep men. If you have questions and comments, do not hesitate to drop it in the comment section below. I will reply your comments as soon as possible. Like and share this video to your friends and families. See you in my next video. Bye.